What's up, guys? This is the Power Crunch Protein Energy Bar. This flavor is the chocolate mint flavor. So it's got 13 grams of protein and only 5 grams of sugar in it. Let's quickly go over the nutrition. So it's 220 calories. You get 5 bars in each box. 14 grams of fat, 11 grams of carbs, and 13 grams of protein. So pause that if you need to. Go ahead and open this up. So, yep, this is what each one looks like. Upside down. So yeah, low calories, 13 grams of protein, only 5 grams of sugar. So overall, it's a great snack, great protein bar.